files in Tableau. So we'll be importing a Microsoft Excel file using the Microsoft Excel option, and we'll be choosing World Cup 2018 squads file. So level of details helps computation of values, both visualization and at data source level. LODs or level of details are basically of three types: include, fixed, and exclude. Now we'll begin with visualization using World Cup squads dataset. We'll go to sheet number 2. We use group dimension and drag it and drop it into column. We create a calculated field using analysis option here, and a create calculated field. We name it as goals per group. Now, for better demonstration, we use on-screen keyboard. We use include LOD here. Include group colon sum of goals. So this is a LOD that we created using include LOD. So goals per group will be carried to rows. Now we use goals measure, and we'll drag it and drop it into rows. So now this is level of detail in Tableau. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.